Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use the motion array Davinci Resolve templates tutorials in 2025. Okay, now this is very easy. I'm just going to show you how you can download them. Just go to motionarray.com and just go to video templates and then click on Davinci Resolve in here. Okay, keep in mind that for this you need to have installed Davinci Resolve. Alright guys, so now you have a lot of different files that you can filter depending on if you want like a transition, like an infographics, an intro, or an opener, things like that. And also depending on the keywords that you can use. You can do something like, for example, colorful, comic style, popular, things like that, okay? So just select your preferred one using all of these filters in here. Make sure that it's compatible to the latest version of Resolve and to your desired resolution, okay? Now we're just gonna click on this one here and you're just gonna click on download, okay? Now this is gonna download a zip file that you have to extract. And now it's just as easy as importing the actual file, which is a DRP file, that is the extension, into Premiere, into, Resolve, DaVinci Resolve, okay? So just open it using DaVinci Resolve, and that's it. You can use it now. Thank you so much, guys.